Yeah, folks, the sun is out. It's a nice day in Nice. Well, bonjour from beautiful Nice here on France's Cote D'Azur. In this vlog we're going to have a little walk around Nice and explore, but first of all we have to go back to Florence where I was yesterday morning and get here. Well, buongiorno folks, and here we are at Florence station. Today's day 67 and we are heading on to Nice. Today's journey involves 3 changes and 4 trains. So we're going to Pisa, then to Genoa, then to something that starts with a V and it's on the border with France, and then finally the last train to Nice. It's not a huge distance, but the trains just don't connect. They used to. In '99 I took a similar journey. I took a journey from Rome to Nice, and that was completely one journey overnight. Anyway, they don't run those trains anymore for some reason, so here we are. We're heading to Nice, and hopefully it'll be a nice trip. See what I did there? This take for sure. By planes, buses, trains and cars. I'm heading from Dhaka to Dakar. Pisa centrale. One. Oh, it's first class. Out of the tunnels, folks. Hopefully for long enough to let me get a signal. Let's see how close we are. 3:07, 9 minutes to go back into a tunnel. That sucked. About 4 kilometres to go, and we have 7 minutes to the train. $2K to go, maybe 2.5. Well, this is it. We're here, so okay, we got to go from platform 3 to platform 5.
Per la Francia bisogna andare al 5, dai.
5.
Per la Francia,
Mi aiuto poi con la valigia per farla. Ok! Oh, oh, oh. Allons-y! Well folks, we're on our way. by the skin of our teeth. Scusa. It got a little bit packed here when we stopped at Monaco. And up there is the Cote D'Azur, the blue coast. Because you need that, right? You need that translation. Probably not. Just have to get off the train now. Bonjour and bienvenue à France. Oh, we are here in Nice. There's the station, and down here we have like 1 to 2 minutes walk to the hotel. That's it. It's fantastic. It's great. That's what it is. It's great. Bonjour from the streets of Nice, folks. It's day 68. Day 68. Yes, we're at day 68. It's the 1st of April. And April Fool's to me because I've already spent a good portion of the day trying to work out my travels for tomorrow because unfortunately there is a strike action happening here in France, and I've got 3 trains to get to Barcelona tomorrow. The first 2 are okay, but it's the 3rd one, Béziers to Barcelona, has been cancelled due to strike action, I believe. So I've been trying to sort that out. I want to just have a little walk, a little wander around Nice, because apart from the train station area, which is at least a little to be desired, it's an attractive little city down here on the Cote D'Azur in France, which is the 13th country on Dhaka to Dakar. And I think we're going to take this vlog sur la plage, to the beach. Well, it's not exactly to the beach, sur la plage is on the beach. Well, you know, close enough. Well, here we are, folks, on the streets of Nice, and check that out. That is one small, I want to say car. Wow, a smart vehicle of some sort, no doubt. Probably electric. Could be the way of the future, folks. The Cote d'Azur. Let's see if it really is blue. Here we are. It's quiet today, even though we are in the school holidays. Here's the beach. Not exactly beach weather, I guess, but oh look, there's definitely a bluishness to the ocean here compared to beaches in Australia. It's not particularly desirable. Further up there, actually, there are more people on the beach. So, like, welcome to the beach. No, seriously, it's a beach. Looks like nobody is choosing to swim, and that's what you got. I am walking on a beach. Seriously, this is a beach. But you know, come summertime when it's actually warm, and the sun's out, and you've got a couple of towels underneath you, Art Deco, folks. I found an Art Deco building. Just thought we'd all celebrate. Palais de Mediterranee. Mediterranee. That's correct. I got it. Actual people in the ocean. It looks freezing. They're mad. But good on them for giving it a go. And now they're out. They probably thought, well, 17 seconds was more than enough. Over there we've got some sort of casino. And do you see what I see? Is it time for a French Big Mac challenge? Peut-être. Casino Rouge. Who needs to go to Monaco to have some fun, eh? Okie dokie. It's so not French that we have to do it, right? Hey, it's been about 32 minutes since I ordered and I just went to check on my order and I asked, I thought maybe, there's a mistake or something, but everyone is waiting. It's, wow, 30 minutes for McDonald's. Have you ever waited 30 minutes for McDonald's? Wow. And literally 1 minute later, it's all turned up here. You can see that it's very environmental here in France. No paper containers for pickup, eating. And let's see the Big Mac. Well, there you go. It's a Big Mac, I guess. Okay. French McDonald's. I won't know until I finish the whole thing, but there doesn't seem to be a lot of sauce in there. It's not up there, that's for sure. It's a little bit cold too. Well, folks, Big Mac was actually okay in the end, but coldish, and the fries were soggy and cold, which was so yeah, probably just above Egypt in the rankings, I guess. But over here in a park across the road, I can hear some sort of jazzy blues kind of thing happening. The Albert Garden of Albert Gardens? Would you believe Albert Gardens? The Albert Gardens. Well, there you go. There's a, I suppose we call it a sculpture. We call it art. Whatever we do, we call it art. It's a very pleasant place, Nice. It's very Nice. Oh, look, and there's somebody sliding down the sculpture. Oh, this seems to be a square of significance at the very least here in Nice. Quite beautiful. And we've got a fontaine over there. Now in the USA, apparently a teacher just got fired for showing their students a picture of the statue of David. Well, here we are. It's a giant statue of a naked man, and it's in public. And it happens all through Europe. I don't know how their kids aren't traumatized for life, but apparently they survive somehow. It's a miracle, I tells ya. Okay, so Nice. I really like it, actually. Wow. And I didn't a few hours ago, because all I was concerned about was my ticket and me. But then when I opened my eyes and the sun came out, oh, fantastic. Dinging. I like to think he dinged that bell just for me. Au revoir le tram. La tram. This here is the Promenade de Paillon. And anyway, I'm guessing the fountains come up. Oh yes, there's a guy walking through it. Oh, thank you so much. You know what, usually the timing is terrible, but that was perfect. Can you imagine how many kids are running around in this area on a hot summer's day? So cool. This place has a name, Place Massena. Sounds very Spanish, but we aren't that far from Spain. That's here in Europe, these scooters that you usually don't hear coming unless they're on cobblestones or like they're everywhere. Just got to be watching out. This is the Avenue Jean Médecin. Yeah, it's got a ring to it. Avenue Jean Médecin. Jean Médecin. Do you think John was a doctor? Who knows? But this has the feel of at least one of the main strips here in Nice, as somebody vapes themselves to death. Cathedral Notre Dame de Saint-Jean. Well, folks, already it is time to pull the curtain down on this vlog and get ready for tomorrow, where I'll be taking buses and trains to get to Barcelona so that I can catch the train the next day down to the south of France and a ferry to Morocco. So we've got 2 days of solid travel ahead of us. And also, I'm going to be joined, all things being equal, you know, touch metal. See, I'm touching metal because there's no wood. Actually, wait a second, there's a tree. Touch wood. I'll be meeting up with me old pal Graham, who you may have remembered from some of the Ethiopian videos from 2009. If you've been watching this channel for that long. If you haven't, you should check them out because Ethiopia is brilliant. This is Nice. I had no idea it was so nice in Nice. Oh, thank you for joining me today. Take care wherever you are in the world. May the journey never end.